I am at the Peace River Botanical and Sculpture Garden in Punta Gorda, Florida. It's my first time being here and I'm looking forward to exploring it. Yellow Andy, Andy Warhol. This garden is popular among visual artists and botanical enthusiasts. So it's right up my alley. It's a young garden. Like right there is a jacaranda tree. But imagine how this walk will be when it's lined with jacaranda that get these beautiful purple bloom clusters that will fall and cover this walk. I am going over to check out the butterfly house. Now this garden crosses the road, so I'm going to do the opposite side of the road from the parking area first and then come back and explore what's on this side. But there's art throughout the garden and it's really nice. I like it. There's a gatehouse when you first drive in. And that's where you pay your entrance fee, which is $20 per adult unless you have membership passes. there's a glass exhibition going on right now in the garden, and it's nice to see how the sculptures just fit right in amongst all the plants. This boardwalk is called the Peace River Boardwalk. And here we have the Peace River. It's a beautiful river. I really like this garden. It's much bigger and more to see than I expected being so new, but it's nice. Now this next boardwalk, the lady at the gate said that it's under construction at the end, but I should be able to walk down a little ways. This is the Mangrove Boardwalk. Boy, what a temperature difference in here. It's supposed to reach 85 degrees today, and it's breezy, so it's not bad at all. The sun is pretty intense. It's a good day for this. There's some incredible homes along here. Wow. I must have been mistaken. This isn't the one that was blocked off. Now, that big home at the end of it is actually the estate for the family of the founding members of this sculpture garden. Pretty incredible that they started this. The gardens began in 2006 as a vision of Roger and Linda Tetrall on 30 acres adjacent to their home. They formed the Peace River Botanic and Sculpture Garden, Inc. as a nonprofit organization in 2008 with the intention of having it be a sanctuary of art, nature, culture, and education. In 2017, these gardens were open to the public. The Tetrall Family Foundation is still funding the development and expansion of the gardens today. Nice gift shop. I'm gonna head back across the street now and see what's over there. here's the back side of that butterfly house that we were at earlier. Now there's not a lot over on this side, I don't think. There's another boardwalk over here, and that may be the one that's blocked off. Nice and shady again. Now there's supposed to be a honeybee's nest in here. Oh yeah, you can see where they're going in right there. I will just leave them alone. So the trail just loops around back to the boardwalk here. It wasn't closed off either. I'm headed back toward the parking area now. They do offer plants for sale here. Right now, all these plants are reserved for an upcoming plant sale. And there's the propagation house. Staff only. Well, I just pulled into my campsite for tonight. I hope you guys like botanical gardens. I love them. They almost always have some sort of art and lots of plants. The best ones have a native plant area as well, so that way you can kind of see what's natural to an area, as well as unusual plants from all over the world. A lot of times they have music, and then there's events, and sometimes there's cafes, and so I just enjoy them. They're a nice way to spend the day outdoors, and I like bringing you guys along, so I do hope you enjoy it. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next video. Bye guys. Oh, and I will be showing you this park that I'm at. All right, bye guys.